Not only this, you can use Google to convert your units. So there are a lot of units of measurement you can work. The lbs, dozen, pound, kilometer, miles. There are electrical units, induction, magnetic induction, wavelength. Okay, so there are infinite number of units out there in the world, and a lot of times you might, if you are into a civil engineering or electrical engineering or mechanical engineering, or even in your home, you're doing some measurements, you want to convert one unit into another, you can use Google for that. Let's say if I want to convert kilometer into miles, okay, you are having a discussion with your friend or something, and we want to convert, let's say, 65 kilometer in miles. Okay. So it will straight away give you this box here, 65 equals to 40.3891 miles. Okay. Or liters into, you can have millimeter into inches. Let's say 65 millimeter in. Okay. So 65 millimeter equals to 2.55 inch. Or maybe you want to convert something, let's say the volume, maybe 65 liter in, okay, what we can convert that into milliliter. Okay. So 65 liter equals 65,000 milliliter. That's true because 1 liter has 1,000 milliliters. Okay. So in this way, you can use Google as converter as well. And that's really brilliant. You can convert any type of unit which you want by using Google. It has got conversion for each and everything. That's the